LG Solar has announced as of March 2022 that they're no longer going to be in the solar business. So if you've been in the market for whole house solar, this takes one of the big players off the table and you might not know where to go at this point. So in this video, we're going to take a look at different solar companies. We're going to talk about your options and we're going to look at how long these companies have been in business. Now, as far as LG goes, they've actually been around for over 60 years, but it turns out that their LG Solar solution, their LG Solar arm of their business, has only been around since about 2009, so around 13 years in total. Now, while 13 years sounds like a long time, it really isn't when it comes to solar solutions, because the life expectancy of a solar solution should be much, much longer than 13 years. In fact, most warranties cover panels themselves for about 25 years. So you can see where this starts to become a problem for not only people that are looking at purchasing a new solution, but also those people that have already invested money into an existing solar solution. So it becomes really important to go with a solar company that's been around for a long time, and you have a reasonable expectation that they're going to be around after the warranty period is over. All right, so first up on this list, we're going to talk about Tesla. Now, it's probably no surprise to you that we're actually going to cover Tesla in this video. After all, their solar roof gets a lot of visibility and a lot of attention, but I do want to talk a little bit about the company itself. Tesla's been around since 2003, and so they've been around for about 18 years now at the time of this recording, and they ended up purchasing another company called Solarcity in 2016 to start up their solar line and their solar arm of their company. So they are a relative newcomer when it comes to business in general and when it comes to producing solar panels, but as you probably know, they are the #1 electric vehicle manufacturer in the world, so I don't think they're going to go anywhere anytime soon. Tesla offers a 25-year warranty on their panels and a 10-year comprehensive warranty on the rest of the system components. Now, I will say with their panels, Tesla has been known to shift to different companies to manufacture these panels. So while that might not be an issue, that is something that you should be aware of, that if you buy a Tesla panel, it might not be the same company today as it was 5 years ago or 5 years from now. Another solid solution to look at is a company called Sunpower. Now, Sunpower has been around for quite some time. They've been around since 1985, and they're the only US-based solar company that's been around longer than their warranty period. So that's a really big deal, especially on the heels of the LG announcement. They offer a 25-year warranty on their solar panels, but they also do something that's a little bit different than other companies. They also offer a 25-year warranty on all of their other system components as well. So this would help give you peace of mind knowing that if anything went wrong with your solar system in the future, you wouldn't have different warranties for different components, like 25 years for the panel and 10 years for the inverter and maybe even another warranty period for the battery, and you'd only have to deal with one company if you have any problems. It's also important to note that while Sunpower has been around since 1985, they did make a decision to break off their solar panel manufacturing business into a separate company called Maxeon. Sunpower is the parent company that installs all the different components. Maxeon is the brand of the solar panels themselves. Another solid company is Panasonic. Now, you might not know that Panasonic manufactures solar panels, but they do. Panasonic is a very popular Japanese electronics company, and they've been around for over 100 years, and they've actually manufactured solar panels since 1975. So if you're looking for a company with a long history and a lot of longevity, Panasonic is another good option for you to consider. They offer a 25-year warranty on their panels, as well as a 10-year warranty on the rest of the system components. Now, while Panasonic has been in the solar business since 1975, as of March 2022, they're no longer manufacturing their own panels in-house. Instead, they're subcontracting that out to another third party to manufacture panels under the Panasonic brand. So that's a change that you should be aware of. But at the same time, Panasonic is another one of those companies that have been around for quite some time, and all signs point to them being around for many years to come. So in my opinion, these are three solid companies. They all offer really good solutions. And if you're really focused on the warranty and support for years to come, I'd give Sunpower a solid look because they're the only company that I've mentioned here that offers a 25-year comprehensive warranty. If you're looking for that peace of mind for the life of your system, I'd really take a look at Sunpower and see what they offer and see what they can do for you. So if you are interested in seeing what whole house solar would look like at your house, I do have a link in the description below, which would take you to Sunpower's website, where you can set up an appointment with them. Now, they don't have to come out to your house. They can do everything virtually. So they can meet with you over like a Zoom call and talk about your options, help you understand costs, rebates, incentives, all these things. And they can even lay out all the panels on your house virtually with a satellite image with the software that they have, which is kind of cool. So you can see how everything would look and you can understand truly what your options are. So if you're interested in that, I'll have a link in the description below on this video that you can go and just click on that and go over to Sunpower's website. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one.